made it to the Fort Worth Stockyards, and it is everything that I hoped for and more. And we haven't even seen the cattle drive yet.
There's horses back there, so Kara's happy.
Yeah, a horse walked right by our car. It was amazing.
Whoa. This Stockyards car is amazing.
The car has cow print. It's got cattle print in there. So here in Fort Worth, every day, twice a day, they drive the cattle herd down this street, and it's authentic to the old times. And I'm so excited to check it out. It's about to get started, probably 5 minutes or so, and I can't wait to see this. It seems really neat. I can hear him shouting down there. Glad we stopped here. Got to see the cattle drive.
Was built by the Maylanders Cabinet Company right here in Waco. I used to spend a lot of time over at that fountain. We make sodas in all the regular flavors, cherry, orange, grape, lime, and such, as well as sarsaparilla and ginger ale. There weren't any of these new concoctions like the cola flavors back then. Speaking of flavors, I'm proud of the one I did over at the fountain. I've been given lots of credit for creating a new soda flavor. These days it's called Dr. Pepper. But back in the beginning, everyone just called it a Waco. I used to enjoy mixing different flavors together in different combinations. I decided that the best drink anyone could make would be the one that tasted like the drugstore smell. You know, with all those flavors mixing in the air. For a few years, back in the 1880s, Waco was the only place in the world you could get a Dr. Pepper.
So if you haven't gathered from that, I am at the Dr. Pepper Museum in Waco, Texas. Let's go give it a look.
the cause to our identity crisis right here. 7 hours to the album cover.
What seems to be interesting about this museum is that it doesn't just seem to be a history of Dr. Pepper as much as it's like a history of soda in general, which is kind of cool. Because there's information about different root beers and Canada Dry and like all sorts of different sodas, so this is kind of cool.
Now, I'm going to tell you a secret about how I load these bottles. See, I refill dozens of soda coolers every day at every store on my delivery. One day, I was watching people get their bottles out of the cooler, and I noticed that a right-handed person lifts the lid with their left hand, reaches in, picks up a bottle with their right hand. Now, I know human nature likes convenience, so I made it easy. I just put all the Dr. Peppers on the right side of the cooler. I did have to move some of the other brands around to make room for the Dr. Peppers, but sure enough, sales increased. Just because I made it a little easier for a customer to get a full bottle of Dr. Pepper.
So this is a recreation of the office of Woodrow Wilson with Clemens. He worked as a salesman for Dr. Pepper and became the chairman and the chief executive officer eventually. So that's pretty cool. He worked his way to the top.
So I just went through the museum too. It was very cool. I liked it a lot. I didn't realize that Dr. Pepper was kind of the originator of the big chains of colas. So apparently they were the first to make a cola, and it was originally called Waco. Or at least that's what people referred to it as. Very interesting. Now I'm gonna start trying to order a Waco. Let's see if anyone knows what I'm talking about.
It's worth your time, I think. And animatronic, they had a Pepper's Ghost, and just some cool things that weren't even just about Dr. Pepper.
I think I learned a lot about the soda industry in general, and it's really interesting that this is the building that they were using for bottling in the 20s. So I think in the 50s it moved to Dallas as the main operations, but it's all very interesting. It was all started here in Waco. Very cool. So the other thing that is pretty cool is that normally the admission is I think $10, but for Groupon we got 2 tickets and 2 drink coupons from their fountain machine for $12. And it's a non-profit, so that's pretty cool. That's a pretty good looking little gift shop here. Some unusual things. Ooh, Frisbees. Alright, time to get my fountain soda. This entire place has been really cool. But now, for the real winner, let's try the soda, because they mixed it right in front of me. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I got Diet Dr. Pepper with vanilla. It is the best Diet Dr. Pepper I've ever had. It's so good. I had no idea. I thought it would just be, you know, soda, but it is delicious. I would say the museum is amazing, but it is worth coming here to get a delightful Dr. Pepper. They also have like Big Red and other things, which are all very intriguing, but
You're at the Dr. Pepper Museum.
Yeah,
If you like
yeah.
Dr. Pepper, why wouldn't you get a Dr. Pepper?
yeah. Iceland. And I'm very excited because right there, that is the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. They used the inside and outside as a filming location in the original movie. And it was originally in a place called Round Rock, but they dismantled it and relocated it here in 1998 to become part of this, this is actually a hotel property called the Antlers Inn, and this is their restaurant. So we're gonna go eat inside the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. Jeremy's very excited. He classifies this as his favorite horror movie.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, this is a fun day for both of us. Especially this guy right here. It looks just like in the movie. I'm pretty sure this is the dining room. This is a pretty fancy restaurant. I feel a little underdressed. Also, I just ordered a Lone Star, which I think is like the Texas equivalent of like PBR or Rainier. Rainier is what we've got in our area. It's pretty good. It's better than PBR. It's kind of similar to Rainier, I would say. It's very good. I like it. But the real question is, which came first? Lone Star the beer or Lone Star the band? This looks good. I got a filet mignon with filet mignon Oscar, so it's got crab on it.
Some crab. Man, big old chicken fried steak.
That looks like an intense chicken fried steak.
And asparagus.
On their cocktail menu, they have a Leatherface lemonade. So cool. Alright.
I'm expecting to see chicken bones everywhere.
See you later, super cool stairway. This has been a pretty amazing experience.
The food was really good.
It was excellent. I had excellent steak. I think so far on our trip, we've had the best food in Texas. But yeah, it was really, really neat. It's so funny because for as, you know, like dirty and dingy the house is in the movie, it's very classy and nice here now.
It's just weird to walk into that entryway.
Yeah.
And so used to it being dirty and gross.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, it's nice and clean and cute. And,
Yeah.
but it still feels similar. It's weird.
Yeah, it's really neat. I'm so glad we came here. I think this is probably where we're gonna end our day. It's been a long day. We had thought we had planned a relaxing day, but then we ended up stopping in Waco at the Dr. Pepper Museum, and now it's been a long, busy day. So thank you so much for coming along with us today, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.